Okay, Ashar, let's come to we will do the first exercise. Okay, we will do the very first exercise today. So now let's come to the exercise. You have your book, Ashar Asif? You have book? Okay, extract one book with the notebook and as well as pen too. Pen too. Because we will do exercise. Yeah. Now come to the exercise. Okay. Yes, Ashar, your first question is that the first lesson that what is cheese? It is first question. What is cheese? What is cheese? What is cheese? This is question. Okay, the answer. What is the answer? Write down now. Okay, answer is that this is answer. Cheese is cheese. Cheese is a solid okay, cheese is solid food made from made from milk milk usually white or yellow, usually white or usually white or yellow.
Wait, then who's Maria Gill? How did you get this link?
Yes, Mama Jan, you came late today. Why?
Asha?
You came
How
late.
did you get this link?
Mohammed Asher, that he was sent link to you, I think. Mohammed Asher, did you send? Okay. Yeah, look, mom.
Sir?
Yes.
I cannot hear you.
Okay. Now listen to me. Now listen to me. I'll do what happened. What the fuck?
I'm late because there was another link and that was Maria Gill, and I don't know who is Maria Gill, and then they were not letting me in. That's why I was confused.
Okay.
Then
It's
Asha
okay.
gave me this
Okay.
link.
Okay. Now listen to me. Listen to me. This is we will do first chapter exercise. Okay. Tomorrow we will do another chapter exercises, but this is the first chapter exercise, the cheese. Okay. It is the very first question. The question is that what is cheese? Now in the blue line, this is answer. Cheese is a solid food made from milk, usually white or yellow. Okay. See ahead. Yeah, you have to write it. You have to write it. Then write it in
I already
your
noted
notebook.
it. I took a screenshot.
Okay, that's also good. Okay, you In color. This is color. In color. Okay.
Which
And
page is this question?
okay, this is very first, first question, the exercise of first question.
Which
Okay.
page is it?
Okay, I will tell you the page now. You have to write this first. Page is not important still now. Okay. First write it, then I'll tell you more. Yeah. Ashir, who wrote?
Not me. I was just trying
Noted or
to
not?
find my thing.
Noted. Okay, I'm going to raise it. I'm going to raise it.
I did not write it.
Okay, write it.
अरे किस पेज पे है?
पहले आप तो ये लिखे ना, मैं बाद में बता दूंगा भाई। ये फर्स्ट लेसन के फर्स्ट
मुझे
की
टॉपिक्स पे
एक्सरसाइज है।
मुझे पेज पे डेट और चैप्टर और पेज नंबर डालना है।
वेट
इंग्लिश वर्कबुक।
यस।
इंग्लिश वर्कबुक
Okay,
is
Ashar,
not
I'm going to
opening.
raise it. I'm going to raise it.
Not just now. Once again. I was just finding my pen. I was just finding my new pen, which took a lot of time.
Okay, take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. It is a solid food made from milk, usually white or yellow in color.
I can't take screenshots.
Cheese is a solid food.
Made from milk, usually white or yellow in color. This is the answer of the cheese. What is cheese?
I'm just about to take a picture, please wait.
Okay. We don't have much time. Be quick.
No, I just forgot even tell me what. Ow.
Get it?
But
It's not that much. A lot. You took much time, I think.
because of finding my new pen, the finding decided to use my old one.
Okay. Okay, now. Okay. This was the page. Okay, page number 4. Okay. Yeah, Galia came now. Okay. Or come here that. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Understand the passage. Photographer asks to say cheese because option A.
C.
What?
Option C.
Option C.
C.
Good, well done. Yeah, option C. While saying it with a smile.
वाला
When you
कुछ
say
किधर है? Cheese. What is
वो
cheese?
ये था वो ये था वो ये था वो ये था, ठीक है। तो आपने किस पे करेक्ट करना है? आपने यहाँ पर इस पर करेक्ट करना है, ठीक है। While saying it is tend to smile. This is the correct answer, okay? Now move forward.
इस पेज पे
Move forward. Page number 4. Page number 4. Come to our head. Number 3. Come to number 3. Okay. Cheese was eaten as far back as 800 AD, 10,000 BC, and 8,000 BC. AD after death, or
800
Christ, you can
AD.
say. Yeah. 800 what?
AD.
No, AD not BC. This is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. Okay. Yeah. Number 4. Now come to the number 4. The discovery of cheese was what? The discovery of cheese was what?
A
What is the
result
correct
of
answer?
experiment by nomads.
Yeah, this one. This one is correct. Result of experiments by nomads. Come to the number 4. Number 5. Come to the number 5. Okay. Uh, which of the cheese is not true about the cheese according to the passage? A. Cheese can't fatten you. B. Cheese
That's
may
true.
cause to decay. And C. Cheese
Option
can
B is
help the
false.
body.
Option B is false.
Option B. Which one?
Cheese will never cause tooth decay.
No. This is good. This is the correct answer. This one. D. D is the correct answer. Okay. D is the correct answer. Cheese can help in prevent diseases. This is the correct answer. Got it? This is the correct answer. Okay. Now let's come to the other. Number 6. Okay. Come to number 6. Brie, Cambers, mozzarella, and cheddar are option A.
Cheese.
Cheese manufacturing companies. Option B. Yeah, which one? Types of cheese. Option C. Names of people who eat cheese.
Types of cheese. Types of
Which?
cheese.
Which one?
Cheese.
Yeah.
Types of cheese.
Okay, that's the correct answer. Good. Types of cheese. Okay. Now come to the column. Come to the column. Actually, the column is your homework. Column is your homework. You have to do by your own self. Okay. The column is your own homework. I need your homework tomorrow. Okay. Column. You have to fill it. Now come to the 8. Come to the 8th one. France and Germany together produce 400 types of cheese. True or false? True or false? It is false. It is what? It is false. Because they were not the France and Germany. France and Italy was there. France and Italy. Okay? France and Italy. It is false. Come to the option 9. Cheese like. Cheese like what? Cheese like cheddar. Cheddar. The first one cheddar comes. In the first one cheddar come, and the second one mozzarella. Mozzarella. And the second one mozzarella comes, and the third one Swiss emmental. Swiss emmental. This is a Swiss mental in the third one. And the last one, American come. American come. American comes. Look, there are four options. Cheese like dish, you have tried cheddar, and another dish, you have tried mozzarella, and the third one is also that dish comes, you have tried Swiss mental, and the last one, you have tried American, and American help prevent tooth decay. This is the correct answer, correct option also. Okay, written or not? यार एक 1 minute हो गई. Something either. Okay, I'm going to raise it.
Not Swiss.
Okay, quick, we don't have time. The time is already over. And the whole chapter is remaining.
But to me, it's totally over because of already
Time, the
already
time is
completed
already over.
like those easy
That is
answers.
okay. That is the reason. Today I have sent the link to the ma'am. I don't know why she did not send to you. Okay, now the time is over. Tomorrow, come to the time. I will also that send you link to you. First at the fixed time, 10:35.
Okay.
Okay, get it?
Got it.
The remaining exercise we will do tomorrow. Okay. Now come to the time.
But I will be
in class.
absent that day because
आप ये क्वेश्चन
as
सर
I
आप
told you my easy
सर
answers
आप
are
इस
just
चैप्टर के सारे आंसर्स ग्रुप पे भेज देना.
क्वेश्चन आंसर ग्रुप पर भेज दूं. ठीक है, मैं आपके ग्रुप पर ही भेज देता हूँ. लेकिन मेरे पास ग्रुप है ही नहीं. मैं मिस को I will share it to the ma'am and she will that share with you in a group. Okay. Okay, that's great.
that's good.
Now the time is over. Good. See you in the next class. Goodbye.